Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you jobs you can do as a student to make some extra money. And no, it's not tutoring. Before we dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours, so let's get started. Number 1, Testable Minds. Testable Minds hire testers globally to help improve applications. If you are not new to the channel, you may already know from community posts that testing jobs pay well for minimum effort. You are getting paid to review an app or a website. On this website, there are two ways to withdraw your earnings. It's either you wait until you reach a minimum threshold of $20 to be able to withdraw via PayPal or direct bank transfers, or you have to verify your account by uploading your ID or your passport, and the minimum threshold drops to $10. When your account is verified, you can also be paid via Revolut, but not every country has Revolut, so this option may not be for everyone, and some people may not be comfortable with uploading their ID documents or their passports, which is understandable. So if that's you, then you should stick to the first option. There are other benefits that comes with verifying your account other than reduced threshold. For example, you get access to more studies because the company trusts you. Some people create multiple accounts trying to cheat the system, but if you have a verified account, you can only have one account, and they like that. They send you a free Revolut card if you don't have already. Revolut is actually one of the best cards, by the way, because there are no charges when you withdraw. You also get an instant $1 bonus into your account after verification. Every month, they have a $20 competition where they pick a winner for every 1,000 verified accounts. So you have a chance of winning there as well. If, for example, they have 5,000 verified accounts that month, they will pick 5 people and give them extra $20. Lastly, you get an automatic transfer when you reach a threshold. To join, you have to be at least 18 years and speak English. No other requirements such as having a degree or experience. Number 2, UserCrowd. You may or may not know, but this website used to be called Usability Hub. It is also a testing site that pays you for short studies ranging from 30 seconds to 1 minute. For each test, you are paid credits which can be converted to cash and withdrawn via PayPal. 1 credit is equivalent to 20 cents, which may sound like it's nothing, but considering the length of these studies or this test, it is something and it does accumulate. From this website alone, you can be able to make $50 per month, but I hope you won't only be using this website because you want to maximize your earnings. To be able to withdraw your money, you must reach at least $10. Then you can request a PayPal payment and you get invited to studies via email notifications, but you can also refresh the page to check for new studies. Number 3, Digivance.com. This is another testing website that is open to anyone with an internet access. They focus on finding bugs. Applications may have bugs that developers may not detect, but only end users can. This website ranks their testers. The more bugs you find, the better. You will have access to more paying or high paying jobs. To get started, you need to take a quiz. You have 3 attempts and you have to get at least 9 out of 10, basically almost the total. Do it when you have time and when you can concentrate. You also have to be 18 years old, native English speaker, or at least full professional level, have a valid email address, and demonstrable experience in web testing or quality assurance, but honestly they don't check this. Once you have passed the quiz, you'll see a list of projects. Before doing or taking any project, you'll always have to sign a non-disclosure agreement. Please don't sign this agreement if you are not sure about finishing the project because they will penalize you. There is a difference between not doing the job well and not finishing. So you don't have to be the best, but make sure you finish each test you sign a disclosure for. They only pay for valid bugs, so they do have to approve. And for each test, you can get paid anywhere between 1 to 5 British pounds. You can withdraw via PayPal or Pioneer, and there is no minimum threshold. I took paracetamol before starting this video, but I thought by the time my allergy reaction kicks in, I'll be done recording because it's a short video. Well, I was wrong. I'm kind of swollen right now, so I'll have to do voiceover for the remaining parts. Number 4, Beta Testing. Beta Testing is a market research company that pays $10 to $20 per test, and all payments are made via PayPal. 7 days after the end of each project. Some tests pay in karma points, which you can use to participate in other tests even if they are already full. Let's say, for example, you did a test that did not have a cash option but was paying in points. Then the following day or whenever you see another test that pays in cash but it is already full or they are no longer accepting new testers, you can trade your points to be considered for that study. Your profile and location will be the main determining factors of how frequently you receive test invites. If you cannot finish a test for whatever reason, maybe load shedding, unfortunately you will not get paid. For some countries, beta testing have very limited options and you can withdraw any amount, but they do take 4% withdrawal fees. Number 5, Livingston Research. If you want a detailed video about this website, please check this video. But as a student, you can sign up as a freelancer to do other students or high school kids' homeworks and assignments, including academic writing. They post projects almost every second and people claim them very quickly, especially if it's an easy homework, so you need to check frequently. They don't always send invitation unless there's a particular project that has been up for some hours and maybe the deadline is approaching. If your profile is good enough or if it matches, they may send you an invitation to ask you to do or to take that project. The best projects are posted at night around 12 to 2 a.m. South African time. Most students are up anyways around this time, so do check the website. You can just claim at midnight and only do the projects when you wake up. Number 6, surveys. Surveys won't make you a lot of money, but as a student, you can make enough money to buy grocery or even pay electricity bills. I have done part 1 of different surveys. And actually, yesterday someone asked me to do part 2 because apparently they've been able to use the money from those surveys to pay or to take care of their bills. I will consider doing part 2 of legit surveys, but to name a few that are constantly paying, it's YSense, Survey Time, and Sweatcoin. But Sweatcoin is not really a survey site. It's an app that pays you to work. I did post a detailed video about this app. You can check it here. And I was able to withdraw $200 from this. As a student, you may not have time to do time-consuming jobs like transcription or tutoring. That's why I compiled these companies, because you don't have to do much, but the money accumulates over time. Of course, if you are doing jobs like transcription or tutoring, you can earn much more at a much shorter time. But this video is mainly for those of you who don't have time or you just want to make some extra money without doing too much. Apply to similar testing sites and let the money accumulate before withdrawing. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'm going to try to reply as soon as I can. All the links will be in the description box.